recording for us. So we're going to combine single notes and a chord with this improvised solo for "I'll See You in My Dreams." We started off by just forming the chord with our left hand, but we're only plucking the A string. But we're forming the chord, and we're plucking the A string on the beat. So let's try that. C major 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C minor, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, G diminished, and then G major 7, and G6. Doesn't sound like much, does it? But what we're going to do is we're going to add a chord. We're going to add the chord in the arrangement on the downbeat of the measure. And I think I'm going to change my mind from what we were talking about before. We're going to play the chord on the downbeat of each measure. So we've got 2 measures of C major 7. So let's make the chord with a block chord, the chord C major 7 with a block chord, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the first measure. So we're establishing the harmony on the first beat, and then beats 2, 3, and 4 are single notes like this. 2, 3, 4. Second measure. Now a C minor. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now a G, G diminished, and just play a G major 7, that's okay. If you want to go to the C6, G6, that's fine. Let's try that again together. We're going very slowly. So make your G, your C major 7, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C minor, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, G diminished, G major 7, G6. So you see what we're doing here, combining harmony with single notes. Let's try it one more time. And if you're comfortable doing this, or when you are comfortable doing this, when we're playing those single notes, try syncopating the rhythm just a little bit, so it would look like this. I just want you to get the overall picture. We're laying down harmony and single notes, and we're improvising. We're not doing the melody, we're improvising on the chords. Let's try it one more time. Here's our beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. That G major 7, G6 is a tough one.